How to get Farfetch discount code. Hey guys, let's get started. So first of all, open any browser of your choice and on the search bar type in Farfetch discount code. On the top of the list, you will see the website of Farfetch, which will provide you multiple options of discounts. There are offers such as 15% off on your first orders and other such discounts as well. In this, you do not require a coupon code. Instead, you can just tap open the sale or offer that you like and it will take you to the farfetch.com. Now from here you can just stick in the items in your cart and check out. But if you want other coupon codes, you can go to shoppinglove1.com. Here you have some of the verified coupon codes which are working as well. So just scroll down or tap on show code, then tap on copy and then tap on open site. Now once you go to the site, while checking out you will see an option to redeem the code. Just paste the code you copied before and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.